nonsense.
This is nonsense.
Nonsense. He's always looked like that.
Nonsense! He's hideous!
That is absolute nonsense.
It's all nonsense, believe me.
Enough of this nonsense!
An arms race? What nonsense?
What if Andy doesn't like me?
Nonsense! Andy will love you!
Oh, nonsense. I will not eat my palace.
Talk such nonsense.
Nonsense. You don't need a man to wear a beautiful dress.
You, a magistrate, and your head full of such nonsense. Now tell me the name of...
Nonsense. I'll give you my card later, and I'll tell Karim to take very good care of you.
You need to go to hospital for further tests.
Nonsense. When would I have time for that?
Okay, what is this nonsense?
It's not nonsense, all right? Look, this storm is gonna get worse.
You're not taking care of Daisy anymore. She's leaving you. Nonsense!
I am, though!
No.
In a long, slow degradation of guilt and regret and blame.
That is nonsense.
I don't think this is safe.
Nonsense. We have the fire chief over here.
Shall we play a game?
You don't like the games I play, they bore you.
Nonsense. Let's play cards.
No, Sid, sweetie, don't do that!
Nonsense. Only the best for my one true love.